Sunkko 737PH, new product high-power battery spot welder. 4 featured functions: auto-triggering spot welding, precise pulse, current adjustment, time delay spot welding, actual welding current display. Turn on the power switch on the backside of machine. LED light turns on. Press the power button on the panel, begin spot welding. The first screen displays actual output current. The second screen displays welding current range and pulses number. Press the button can adjust the corresponding twinkling value. Press the T button, multiple time delay, spot welding setting. Press the P button, 2 to 18 pulse numbers can be set. Press AT&T button, switch the manual automatic spot welding mode. Super pulse current adjusting knob, output current can be adjusted conveniently. Mobile welding pin can be installed easily by plug-in way. Equipped with S70SN mobile spot welding pin. Firstly, press the T button, adjust to 0.4S, test the time delay effect. Adjust the time delay setting to 1.5S, 0.6S, 0.5S, 0.4S, test the time delay effect. S70BN mobile welding pin has auto-triggering spot welding function. The output welding current can be triggered automatically to finish spot welding when welding pin touches the welding part without switch controlling. Adjust the SUPRPULSE knob for higher pulse current. Thicker nickel strip can be welded. Firstly, we spot weld the small-sized lithium-ion battery pack, then the 10S lithium-ion battery pack. It can also be used for series and parallel spot welding of large, single-power batteries. After nickel conversion, test the welding effect. Different types welding parts like stainless steel, iron and nickel can be welded except batteries, such as mobile phone internal parts of stainless steel sheet, iron sheet, and other types of products spot welding. S71 spot welding pin operated on the positive electrode cast-off lithium battery. The operations of S71 and S70BN welding pin are same. The feature of S71 is smaller welding needle. It is specially used for small welding surface products. Next is the battery spot welding with a smaller positive electrode welding surface. It is suitable for pointed batteries, such as 3A battery, all-number battery. 2 3A batteries are currently on display for spot welding in series with nickel plates. It can also be used for button battery internal parts, battery positive electrode, negative electrode spot welding nickel plate. Next we introduce the S71B welding pin. It can be used for welding stainless steel mesh, fill-cut, stainless steel parts, and other types of material products. It can also be used for the fixed nickel plate welding of the material of the research and development types such as nickel foam. The positive electrode of polymer lithium battery can also be converted to nickel. The pure nickel sheet is folded in half, and the aluminum sheet is wrapped up and down. Now finally, let's show the operation of machine's fixed welding head. Adjust the pressure controlling knob and fix the welding needle. Connect the foot pedal switch to the backside of the machine. Switch the welding mode to MT, manual mode. Push the battery pack up and finish the welding. After the welding pin flattens the battery nickel sheet, the foot switch outputs the current to complete spot welding.